Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Brittany Scales. This is just a quick tutorial for different hairstyles you can use or do when you have your hair in a protective style that's individuals, whether that's box braids, Marley twists like what I have here, Senegalese twists, whatever the case may be. Here's just some ideas to kind of spice it up because it can get kind of boring when you have a protective style like this. So here we go. The first thing I'm going to do is oil my scalp with the Mango and Lime Jamaican Black Castor Oil. This is in the scent Lavender. This smells amazing. I love it. It's one of my favorite hair oils when I have protective styles, and even with my natural hair I like to use this to kind of seal things and seal moisture in, and a little bit goes a long way. So let's get into it. Hairstyle numero uno. This one is going to be super simple. As you can see, I have a deep side part, and I literally just took one handful of hair from each side. I twisted it backwards, and as I turn around, you'll see I am going to simply tie it into a knot. Tie it into a knot. And then I'm going to tie another knot on top. And I'll take those ends that are sticking up and just tuck them down so that they're not sticking up in the air when you see the hairstyle from behind. So this is super simple, super easy, and really it's a hairstyle that I actually use to get my hair out of my face. I don't really like my hair in my face that much, so this is not a big deal, but it's just a way to give yourself some creativity when you're wearing these protective styles. Once again, I always wear my hair like this when it's braided or twisted or what have you, and as you can see, I just took a few twists from near my temple and tucked that in as well. So that's just to get more hair out of my face, but it does look kind of cute and I like it, and it's kind of an everyday thing. So on to the next. As you can see, I've taken that first hairstyle down. Okay girl, feel yourself, yes. Hairstyle number 2, just pushing all of the hair to the back, and I'm going to take the front half of my hair and lift it up into a ponytail on the top of my head. We're going to do half up, half down, and I'm going to take 2 twists from the middle of my head. You'll see me grab it just now. And I'm going to wrap those twists around the hair on top and use those twists as a ponytail holder. So what I love about having Marley twists and kinky twists is that your hair, it really twists onto itself, and because of the texture, a lot of times you don't need to use bobby pins or a ponytail holder or anything like that. So giving me very Janet Jackson vibes. Yes, poetic justice. Yes girl. On to the next. Hairstyle numero 3. This is super simple. A lot of people are wearing their natural hair like this. I'm just gathering an even amount of hair from the top front portion of my head, but I'm leaving the sides near my temple down. I'm going to bring all that hair to the front, and what you'll see me do next is begin to roll it. Wow girl, wow girl, wow girl, wow. There we go. Hey, roll girl, roll. So I'm just going to roll it and follow the direction of the hair where the tension is and put it into a bun. I'm not going to do a tutorial on a bun like this. It's kind of hair 101. I'm sure there's a tutorial somewhere else, but literally just put it in a bun, and I tuck the ends of the hair under the back and it stays put. So yeah girl, I don't really like this hairstyle that much, but the girls love it, so hey, we do it for the girls. Taking that down, and now I'm taking that same section of hair and I'm going to split it into 3, and I am going to braid all the way down to the ends. I'm also not doing a braiding tutorial. I'm assuming you know how to do that. So braid all the way to the end, and then I'll take that braid and create a U kind of shape. I love this hairstyle so much. See, there's my little U shape. Is that a U? It's going to be a U today. I'll take the end of that braid and tuck it into the roots of my twist, which is really cool because this again alleviates the need for bobby pins. The hair holds onto itself. So as you can see, I've pulled it through the front, and I'm wrapping it around the back, and I'm just tucking it under my little Cinnabon braid bun situation. Whatever that is. Yeah. I'm tucking it under, and this really stays put. It's quite interesting, and I don't even know how I came up with this, but I love it. It gives me a very retro vibe. I feel like it helps the twist kind of come off as formal. So I've worn my hair like this to special events or weddings, or when I want kind of an edgy look, or just something that's different from wearing it straight down. And this leads us to hairstyle number 5. I'm going to take a couple of braids from both sides of my temple and pull that to the back. And once I turn around, what you'll see me do is split it into 3 parts, 3 sections, parts, yeah, whatever. I'll split it into 3, and I'm actually beginning to braid down, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to turn around. There we go, girl. Yes, turn around, girl. Turn around. So I'm just going to braid about halfway down. Again, because of the texture of this hair, it braids onto itself, so it kind of locks in and you don't have to worry about something to hold it in place. And that's kind of what that looks like when it's finished. Boom. Yes. Ooh, give it to him, girl. Yes. Ooh. Oh. Okay, girl. Ooh. Ooh. But wait, there's more. So what I'm going to do now is take down this braid and gather all of the twists into a ponytail. I'm going to take a couple of twists from the middle like I always do and wrap that around as the ponytail holder. That's what I love about these twists. So low maintenance, and you can do so many different hairstyles and you don't need hair accessories. It would be really cool though to put like a pin or something cute that you have into this hairstyle, give you a nice little retro look. And that was hairstyle number 6. Now I'm taking the even 24-hour edge control, and I'm just going to lay down my edges to kind of give you an idea of what it would look like if I were wearing it out. I don't use this product anymore. I use the Even, but I like to use the container that's burgundy with the black top, the 24-hour super extra strong hold. I'll probably put a link to it in the description box, and also if I can find a link to this hair, I'll put that in the description box as well. Because the color is so pretty, and I wore this in summer, I wear it in spring. It just is perfect. It's perfect. My hair is red now, but I love this hair and I love the way that it twists. It twists beautifully. And now hairstyle numero 7. I'm just taking that ponytail and braiding it down. So again, this is just to add some more creativity or some spice to any type of individual protective style, whether it's box braids, twists, Senegalese twists, whatever you have. Even your natural hair, probably be pretty cool to do some of these hairstyles. And boom, there you go, hairstyle number 7. Cheese! So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a comment, to like, subscribe, and share. I will see you next time. Bye!